In this video, I'm going to show you how to not only log your exercise, but also how to create a workout routine to help track your progress. Let's jump in. If you scroll down to the bottom of your diary, you will notice that there is an area to enter exercise and water intake. Later in this course, we will also go over how to sync any fitness devices, such as Fitbit, in order to automatically sync up any exercise. If you want to add your exercise in manually, click Add Exercise, and you'll notice there are three options: cardio, strength, and workout routine. You can choose one to fit your needs. So let's say you were biking at a light pace. You can enter the minutes performed, and it will give you the approximate calories burned. You can also enter in what time you did the exercise. Click the check mark in order to enter that in the app. You will notice at the top, it then gives you exercise calories and suggests you to eat back those calories. Please speak to a nutrition coach or professional about this if you have any questions. Let's go ahead and look at the other exercise options. If you click strength, you can go ahead and enter each strength exercise individually. Let's go ahead and click squats. You can enter how many sets you did, as well as how many repetitions per set, and the weight per set. It does not give calories burned like it did in the cardio. And you can go ahead and enter each routine. Last one is a workout routine. The Explore page you can only access through a premium upgrade, but you can build your own routine here by adding each individual exercise. You can name the routine and add any description or notes. This is great for somebody who does the same workouts week to week in order to more quickly add their exercises. Other than creating a workout routine through your diary, you can also go to More and then Workout Routines. Here you can build and customize your own routine. You would go ahead and name it. So I'm going to name this chest and triceps. And you can go ahead and add in each exercise. So chest press. There are several different options. You can decide which makes the best sense for you and whatever exercise you are completing. I'm going to click chest press machine and add. Here I can go ahead and enter any instructions I might have, as well as any notes, and also enter the amount of pounds that are being lifted and the amount of reps. If you are doing multiple sets, you can click Add Set, and this will be your goal for that workout. You will go ahead and add in any other exercises that you intend to do for this workout. You can then save the workout by clicking Save in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can also log the workout. If I am doing this workout today, I can log it today. I can go ahead and adjust the time to any time prior to now, and I can go ahead and click the check mark. If I'm not doing this workout today, I would log it later through my diary. You will notice that in this workout I created, it actually shows me a total volume lifted as well as an estimated duration. Keep in mind, this duration does not take into account any rest time or transition time. It also has calculated an estimated number of calories. It's great that you can log so much detail about your exercise in the app. I hope you really found that helpful. Next, we're going to learn about a variety of other settings in the app.